Hey guys, this is GamingWithTan, and today I also got another vlog for you guys. A really good review. So coming up, unboxing. So let's start. So guys, I've got the Cozmo here. It's an awesome robot which can do like anything. It's like tiny, but it's really good, guys. Don't worry, the review is coming up. This is just the unboxing which shows the contents in this box. You know, it is pretty heavy, guys. So this is the back of the box, guys, and as you can see, it says limited edition right here. This is a limited edition version. So yeah, that's also written Cozmo here by Anki right here, and it's written Cozmo copyrighted, registered. And yeah, here is like the Cozmo's face with the Anki logo here, and here's like the here's Cozmo with the box with those cubes. Playing with it, and it says that you have to download the app. I'll show you that in the review video, guys, but this is the unboxing. Anyways, guys, here it's written in 3 languages: French, Spanish, and English. You can read it according to your language, and yes, that's pretty much it, guys. Let's get into the box. Okay, guys, so when you unbox the Cozmo, there's the Cozmo itself, which is like awesome. This is the box, guys, and it's pretty solid. So you can just keep it aside here. And yes, so this is the main thing. This is the Cozmo, and you can just remove it like that. Yeah. So oh my god, it's heavy. Wow, you can even see it's got that mechanical sound to it. So we'll look at the features afterwards, but let's keep it aside for right now. And so here's the box, guys. It's written Cozmo here with the registered symbol, and this is like the GoPro box. As if you haven't seen the unboxing, it's there, the icon there. Also in the end screen and linked in the description below. So when you open this, it says start here, but yeah, we'll just remove it, and we don't need it, right? Anyways, so here are 3 cubes, guys. I'll tell you why you need these cubes in the review video. And yes, so these are the 3 cubes. We'll just keep them aside for right now. Second one, third one, and then it's like this is left, and you just need to take it out, guys. And then is the charging dock, which is like that. And yeah, this is just saying that the power differs from country to country. We don't need that. And yes, so this is a power cradle, guys, for charging Cozmo. And it has those 2 pins like the Fitbit. If you haven't seen the unboxing and the review, go check it out right now, guys. There's the icon right there. Go check it out, and even link in the description below and the end screen. Anyways, guys, so oh my god, it's got some weight to it, guys. It's a long wire, and this is the charging dock. It has those pins here which goes like this. It attaches with the Cozmo here, guys, and it's really simple to attach it. It's just like that's all. That's pretty much it, and it charges, guys. So I'll come back in a minute after charging it. Okay, guys, so I've got the power bank, and let's take the charger, guys, and attach it to the power bank. So yeah, this is a normal USB adapter, you can see. Okay, so the power supply is on, and let's go and put. Okay, so guys, if you put the Cozmo, you can see the green light which is blinking here. It's pretty good, guys. Also, Cozmo has night vision. You can control it through the app, via the app, and also it has a small little camera here. If you can see, its head goes up and down. It's a pretty good robot, guys. It's very good. And you know, it can lift the box like that. Yeah, like that. and it does many things, guys. I'll show you that in the review video, but yes, that's it for now. So bye guys, please subscribe as well as like the video and comment, and I'll meet you in the next video, which is the review video of Cozmo, and let's go. Bye guys. You're charging. The password comes which you need to enter in the app for the Cozmo to get connected. And yes, that's pretty much it, guys. Bye guys. In the start here manual, which is here, you get pretty good things, guys. Right here, Cozmo's cute face. So what you get is you open it like that, and the rest of the box is empty, as you can see. So what you get is instruction manual, this and the sticker right there.